Dear student, this is a brief video review of your studies questions. So, first thing is work on time management. Okay, for 15 marker, it should not be more than 11 minutes. So, try to finish within 11 minutes. Second thing is whenever you read a question, mark the important keywords. For example, the question is despite their success. Okay, so here success is the keyword. SHGs continues to fall short of realizing their potential and efficiency. Okay, so here they are failing to realize their potential. These are the next keywords. Then discuss the main cause behind this and state they are asking us steps for the to make SHG's movement successful. Okay, so these are the keywords. Always focus on keywords so that you will understand the exact demand of the question. Next thing is try to keep your introduction brief. Okay, brief means only 2 to 3 sentences in introduction is enough. So if you are using this much, that is enough. That's all. Okay, second thing, whenever you write a heading, write it within a box so that you will that should look prominent. Another thing is add a space between two parts. Whenever you start new part, give some space. Then avoid writing outside a margin. If you are writing outside margin, it will be penalized in actual exam. Next thing is always use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 points and not a star or this dash. Okay. Another thing is always underline the keywords because examiner will not have enough time to read your answer. So for example, here the social integrity is the keyword. You can underline that keyword with the same pen. Then here gender equality is the keyword that you can underline that point. Okay, so kindly underline the keyword that will help you to improve the structure and the presentation. Next thing, again, avoid writing outside the margin. Then you have given these things, like for example, measures for the betterment. Okay, and then you wrote about this government measures for the SHGs. So this government steps should be mentioned first. Okay, you should mention these government steps here. After that, you can mention the measures. Measures will be the way forward. Okay. Next thing is work on this not only a time management but also a word limit. So I have given you a brief chart here. So for 10 marker, the word limit should be 150 marks, page limit should be 2 pages, and time should be 7 minutes, not more than that. Again for 15 marker, 250 words, 3 pages and 11 minutes. Fine. Try to give always a brief conclusion. Again, 2 to 3 sentence conclusion is enough. And whenever you give a conclusion, you can mention some success stories. For example, you can mention about the Kudumbashree of Kerala, or you can mention how this SHG movement can help us to achieve a goal of India of 250 or something like this. Okay, but your conclusion should always be constructive and on a positive note. So hope this brief video review will help you. If you are facing any issues, feel free to call me anytime. Thank you and all the